Today, this morning, we are at Ranikor Bridge. Me, Silvanus, and Sir Primoz. We are going down to Ranikor. We are going to witness an awe-inspiring display of strength and technique. Sir Primoz conquered the mighty Ranikor River with graceful ease, with waters known for the depths and current. Few dare attempt the feat he made look effortless. Cutting down through the current with smooth, powerful stroke, he reached the far bank as if guided by instinct. Turn around without pause, his form impeccable, his resolve unshaken. Onlookers watched in amazement as he returned to shore, not only provoking his stamina, but embodying the spirit of a true aquatic master. Sir Primoz didn't just swim across the river. He owned it. A very short poetry to say about him. Through Ranikor's flow, bold and wide, Sir Primoz danced on the water's tide. With stroke so swift, so calm, so free, he swam like the river was meant to be. Thank you. Look beside sir. Silang.
Ja, halleluja. Halleluja. Halleluja.
Ano may karebe wala ni skor kay araw yi. Laring.
I can just lie down like this, look.